and you can download from here. And AI, this is the main thing there. Okay, so never copy directly from ChatGPT to assignment and submit to your institution. Don't do that. Okay, and this is the AI part. Okay, and what is this AI generated text that was AI paraphrase? Like, what is Turnitin AI checker or what is Turnitin AI detector? Okay, it's the same thing. It's come under Turnitin instructor. Okay, so for example, every institution provides student account to their uh student. Okay, like the one. Okay, this is the student account. Okay, this doesn't have any AI detector, and this is for instructor. Okay, for teacher professor, and this is have the AI detector. For example, whenever we check some assignment, for example, view, and let me delete first from inbox. Okay, okay, so I'm going to check the same paper. Okay, just need to refresh it. And I just upload. Okay, upload, and this is the file. Okay, and upload. It's uploading. It may take time according to file size, and it support 15,000 word to check the AI. Beyond, if you submit beyond 15,000 word, then AI is not going to be show off. Only the plagiarism report is going to come up. So it's completed, and I just going to close it, and it's showing this. Okay, view. It's nothing. Similarity time taking, some timer flight, nothing. Okay, you just need to click refresh. See, student, you cannot use most of the thing because it's not available for student. Okay, so and I just need to refresh one or twice. Okay, now it's come up. So Turnitin AI detector or Turnitin AI checker. Okay, it's all same thing. It's come under. Don't get confused. Okay, uh, it's very simple. It's not rocket science, and this is the similarity. You can the looks is a little bit different from the student account. This is the instructor, so looks is something like this. Okay, so this is the plagiarism, and you can download from here. And AI, this is the main thing that okay. So never copy directly from ChatGPT to assignment and submit to your institution. Don't do that. Okay, and this is the AI part. Okay, and what is this AI generated text that was AI paraphrase? Like, suppose you are using some paraphraser. Okay, like Quillbot, or there are lots of paraphraser like spin writer. Okay, and word tune. Okay, those are the paraphraser. What you'll do? See, data scientist, like it will say scientist of data. That's a paraphraser. You cannot do that using the AI paraphraser. It will increase this AI generated text that was AI paraphrase. Instead of this, it will increase this, and AI will be remain same. AI detection in overall AI means if you have 33% AI and this has 33% AI, then it will come 66% AI detection. Okay, so this is also very important, and this is considered as a much serious issue. Okay, because you try to manipulate. Okay, so this is the AI report, and you can just download the AI report. This is the Turnitin AI detector. This is the Turnitin AI checker. Okay, and these all come under Turnitin instructor. Okay, so this is very simple, and this is for teacher. Okay, this is the teacher, and this is how AI report looks like. 33% AI. Okay, in this section also AI generated 33%. AI generated that was AI prefers 0%. Okay, and this is the highlighted. This is the AI. Okay, so it's very simple and simple to use. Okay, if you are instructors, this is how you can check uh, your student paper for teacher and professor. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.